So positive reviews, I would say that if you look at what is the most foundational part of marketing in 2023, it's a positive reputation. This is something that if you've owned a business or worked in business for some time, I would say the last 10 years has really been game changing for marketing, because your word of mouth and referral that maybe 10, 20 years ago used to work, now people trust the opinion of complete strangers before making a purchasing decision or visiting a business. So I always joke, my mom, who raised me and loved me for 30 some years, if she recommended where I go to dinner, I might thank her for that recommendation. But the second thing I'm going to do is go look up the opinions of complete strangers on the internet before deciding where to go to a restaurant. So I trust the opinions of someone I've never met over the person who gave me life. And you might chuckle when you think about it, but it's really the way it is now. So proactive management of your online reputation, it is fundamental marketing in 2023 and beyond. So if you look at all business owners, they should be proactively managing their online reputation. Why is that? Because positive reviews generate new customers. They absolutely do. And some of you on here, you're clearly interested in learning about reputation management, likely to generate revenue, or maybe you've had bad experiences that you want to help clean up, or you understand that this is the way that you need to go to help build your business. The reality is marketing for any business owner is focused on generating revenue. So one takeaway from today is to talk about how positive reviews, positive reputation is going to make you money. So positive reviews create new customers. Negative reviews also drive off new customers and could potentially drive off your customers that you've been working with for some time who have liked you. Positive and negative reviews are not fair. Most every business in this day and age is going to have a negative review, no matter how great of a business you are. It's inevitable. So they're not fair, but they do show up everywhere. And then why business owners should proactively manage their online reputation. Reviews can be meaningfully managed by you. So when we talk about reviews, we're talking about reviews on the major review sites, the major search engines. Many of them have the ability to leave a review there. So most people know reviews directly on Google. There's reviews on Yelp. There's reviews on Facebook. There's actually 20 major review sites out there, and those review sites can change. It's important to get reviews everywhere and manage reputation everywhere. Most important are the major sites to focus on today. So you can manage this, you can have control. And when I talk about this making you money, how much can it make me, right? We went into business because we want to help others, and we also want to make money in it. So how much revenue can helping improve my positive reviews, how much money can that make me? Well, there was actually a Harvard Business School study that determined for every 1-star rating increase in reviews, it equates to about a 5 to 9% increase in total sales. So, simple math, if you run a $200,000 business, you improve your star rating by 1 star, maybe you're at 3.7, you move it to 4.7, that is a $10,000 to $18,000 in extra sales. And $500,000 business, that's $25,000 to $45,000 in extra sales. And I know that there's many laundromat owners who have multiple locations, so kind of do the math with me. If you own 3, 4, 5, 10 laundromats, how much positive reviews are going to help generate revenue for your business?